Okay, we're on our way to get our e-bikes right now. We're just going through the mountains now.
We're here now to pick up our e-bikes, which are just out here, and then we'll get to it. That's awesome. Have a look. Oof. How cool is that? Whee! Yep.
Wow.
Got a bunch of stuff here. We've got our drink, and the sun's now come out. And this is the view right here. Hi, I'm Dan.
And I'm Elle.
And we're here in Tambourine Mountain, one of our favorite places so far that we've ever found. And we're checking out the amazingco mystery picnic. We did one in West End recently.
Yeah. Well, we just walked for hours.
Yeah, like 8 kilometers. Really enjoyed it, thoroughly enjoyed it. And so this time we're checking out Tambourine Mountain with the mystery picnic and the e-bike experience. It apparently takes 3 to 4 hours to do.
Yeah.
So let's get into it. So once you access the amazingco website and go into your profile, your experience will be ready. So I just literally click on it and then it'll say start your experience and it will take me through to what I can expect. It manages my expectations really well, which I was super appreciative of when we did the West End one. Just tells you what's in store, how to know where to go, how will you get around, timing, and some tips as well. So just really nice at a glance information. This is our first clue here on the phone. This is where we're actually going to figure out where to go on the e-bike. So we've got our pen and paper here. And we've just got a few jumbled words and we have to figure out basically the location. All right, so Elle actually figured this one out. I had no idea at all, but what did you come up with? Where do we have to go here?
So like the first word is Pedley and the second word is picnics.
Cool, so that's where we pick up our bikes from.
Okay, we're on our way to get our e-bikes right now. We're just going through the mountains now. It's a bit of a windy road, but that's the mountain. It's beautiful. We'll definitely show you some scenery when we're on the bikes. It's beautiful weather, so we're so excited.
Just walking through the town now. We need to pick up some sunscreen before we go. But yeah, absolutely love this town. Tambourine Mountain is beautiful. All right, here it is, Pedley Picnics. We're here now to pick up our e-bikes, which are just out here, and then we'll get to it. Wow.
Oh, it's beautiful down there.
That's awesome.
Okay, here.
And great. Thank you very much. Awesome. Have a look at this. So in here, have a look. Oof. Look at that.
Wow, that looks so good.
Oof, that's only one.
How much you get? There's only one.
That's only one so far.
But like, how many more?
You might not have the space in the picnic basket.
Okay, let's see. How does it fit?
It will only just fit.
Wow.
And that's one stop.
We'll have to put more in your backpack.
That's a cute little shop, and we got our crackers and cheese. There we go, we're on the main strip now. Tambourine Gallery Walk. Okay, so now to the next clue. We can continue on now, and it's wine o'clock. I was expecting a winery, so crack the number code to unlock your next location. This is really cool. Time to decode, wine is calling right now, and we have to figure out the final answer here. So I'd imagine that you're gonna have to spell out wine with the keypad, so let's try that. So 9, So 9463. 9463. And that was it. I got it.
Oh, yay.
9463.
Easiest clue so far.
Nice. So now we get to reveal. We're going to Witches Falls Winery. Just cruising on the main road, you know, going to Witches Falls Winery. One of our favorite wine spots, actually. We found some other people on our adventure. There we go. Yeah, I love this spot. It's so beautiful up here. Guessing we go to the main counter to pick up whatever it is we're picking up. Let's see. Look how beautiful it is. Alright, so we're going to choose one of these, the cola. And then one of these, I think. What's this one? Yeah, berry surge. There you go, we're getting these two drinks. Alright, so we got these. So they weren't alcoholic, but we got a cola drink and a berry surge drink. So again, no space to pack it. It's going to have to go in our backpack.
You get so much value here, it's crazy.
Crazy how much value you
Yeah,
get.
you get heaps.
Heaps of value.
We should have brought an Esky.
Yeah, literally.
Okay.
Crazy. Alright, let's try this cola.
A well-deserved break.
Mm.
We just climbed up
Oh.
the hill.
That's actually amazing. I love
It
that.
is really nice.
It's so refreshing.
And it's like, what is it?
It's
Organic
cola,
or-
low-cal, handcrafted soda.
Yeah, it actually tastes
Very cool.
healthy and really good.
Yeah, here it is. There it is, wow. How cool is that? Whee!
On the card?
Yep.
Wow.
So we made it to
We
the
made
picnic
it.
spot. This is the view. Right there.
Absolutely amazing.
We
It's
do-
really nice because it's like the sun isn't out, so it's not that hot.
Yeah, there's not much shade in this spot, but we've got all our stuff here. We're about to set
We
up
have a feast, just a sneak peek.
and some
And
stuff
we've
here.
also got a sweet treat.
So this was definitely a completely different experience to the West End version. Obviously we had a bike this time. The bikes were awesome. They actually had so much like grunt to them. When we put it in turbo mode, I was blown away with how fast they were.
And you can travel so far on the bikes.
Yeah, so impressive. Look at
You
these.
get to see so much. It's really beautiful, and you get like scenic views the whole time you're riding.
We're getting into the cheese now.
Yeah, we
And what did we get? We got a mango and macadamia, which is an interesting one. Got a bunch of stuff here. We've got our drink. And the sun's now come out. And this is the view right here. This is where a lot of people will come to paraglide. All right, it's all coming together. It's all coming together. And so, yeah, Elle, what were your thoughts?
I really loved it. I loved like the how far you could travel on a
Yeah, we
e-bike.
explored a lot, didn't we?
Yeah, like we just traveled so far. We went up so many different roads. Beautiful, beautiful trees,
Yeah.
mountains, scenery.
Nice breeze as you're coming down the hill.
Yeah, and
Then
it's
you got to
really-
struggle to go up the hill.
And it like you feel so safe on the bike, and it's really easy to control and navigate, especially when you're going up hills. Just put it on the turbo.
Yeah, the
mode.
turbo for sure.
It's beautiful. It goes really fast.
Yeah. So yeah, I'd recommend this 100% to anyone living in the area. If you're on Gold Coast, Brisbane, Sunshine Coast,
Yeah.
anywhere, even if you live in Mount Tambourine, like awesome experience just to experience the mountain a little in a different way, right?
Yeah.
We normally come up and drive up here. We spend a couple of nights, but yeah, it's been fun.
You see different places when you're traveling on the bike as well, and you really can like slow down and stop off at lookouts. And
Yeah,
yeah.
well worth it.
Okay, we have laid out our feast.
Here's the feast.
Wow.
All sorts of things in here. We've got grapes, strawberries, pickles, cheeses, meats, crackers. There's a salad, all sorts. It's actually a feast. Huge, huge feast. Love it. Here we are. Here's the lookout out here. Still getting through our beautiful spread. Just tried this drink actually. It's quite interesting. Never tried it before. We're obsessed with this low carb soda. The cola here is amazing.